Hi, Justin Lobato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to talk about Marine 31 products. Now with that, we have our Marine 31 Vinyl Cleaner and Conditioner. Now this is a great product because it offers two benefits in one, or also known as an all-in-one product. Now traditionally you would have basically a dedicated cleaner and a dedicated protectant. However, this allows you to streamline one product into doing both those tasks. With that said, we like to see this used mostly with maintenance, but it can be used for everyday use as well. But the real benefits behind this product is it allows you to clean all your vinyl surfaces, from body soiling, embedded dirt, food spills, and of course sunscreen while you're on the boat. This does a great job at that. In that process, basically you're spraying the surface and wiping it, or you're spraying the surface and agitating it to clean up any dirt or grime. And then from there, it does a cleaning, it does a conditioning, you're good. If you want the optimal results of this product, after you clean, then you could actually spray it on the surface, let it dwell for up to 5 minutes, and then come back and wipe it off. And that will give you the full potential of the protection it has to offer. So that way you're both cleaning and protecting that surface. And this is great for all your vinyl surfaces. It contains one of the most premium UV inhibitors on the market, known as Ciba Tinuvin. Now, that category is one of the best UV inhibitors, and that's what this product has to help preserve the vinyl finish, to help also prevent it from cracking and fading. And obviously that's what you want with your marine investment. For more information about Marine 31 Vinyl Cleaner and Conditioner, visit Autogeek.com.